Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, you're welcome. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I braid my natural hair, how I put my natural hair down before I wear my wig. If you want to see how I lay my hair down, don't go anywhere. Stay and watch the video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys next time. This is my wig. I made it myself. If you want to see a video of how I got this wig, I'm going to leave the link down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So let's get into the braiding. Let's braid our hair. So first of all, I detangled my hair. I'm not going to put any oil in my hair because, as you can see, my hair is really very oily. I washed it last week, so I have enough oil in my hair. Like, I oiled it so much, so I'm not going to put any oil or any water because it's really very soft. So I'm just going to braid it down like that. So as you can see, it's actually very detangled. It's free, like you don't have any tangling in my hair. So I'm going to go in with this small comb to just pat the hair the way I want it to be. I'm just going to take my mirror and place it like here. I hope I'm not blocking it. So I'm going to part my hair. I'm doing this because this is the size I want. This is the size of cornrows I want. So you're parting your hair depending on the size of cornrows you want to do yourself. So I'm just parting my hair with this small comb and I'm putting it downwards. You need a mirror in front of you so that you actually see what you're doing. You cannot do it without a mirror in front of you, guys. Like, it's like you're actually plaiting your hair yourself. So I got that first one right here. The line isn't supposed to be clean because I'm actually doing it myself. I'm going to detangle my hair more because you're plaiting this yourself. You don't want any like tangles in your hair while doing this. So what I'm doing is I'm going to put that comb up on my hair so that it doesn't disturb me while plaiting. So I'm going to divide my hair into 3 parts like I just did, and what I'm doing is I'm just going to be moving them. Like, you guys know how cornrows go now. Follow me, I follow you. Follow me, I follow you. So whereas I'm going backwards, as I'm plaiting and going backwards, I grab another hair. I don't know how to explain it, guys, but please just understand from the video. I hope you understand what I'm doing in the video. I know most of you will be like, oh, this is a normal thing, it's a normal thing. It's not a normal thing. It's not a normal thing for you to conrow your hair yourself. It's not a normal thing. So I just decided to show you guys this because you guys know I love you guys so much. So I got the first one and I'm just going to just braid it downwards. The next one, and I'm just going to be doing the same thing over and over and over and over. So there's no need for me talking. The tangle, like, I'm going to be repeating the steps, so just enjoy watching. So I'm sure in this third cornrow you guys actually see what I'm doing very well. I grab a hair, and as I'm going behind, I take another hair from the bunch of hair left behind, and I'm really gripping this because you want it to be hard and you want it to be down. So you need to really grip the hair very well so that it's going to be strong. So we're almost done. We're on the fourth cornrow. It actually looks very easy, but right now I'm actually resting my hands, guys. Like, I was tired. I was so tired, because it's not actually easy to cornrow your hair yourself. You need to like rest your hands for some time, you know. Guys, you see my eyes moving up and down. I was actually watching a movie while filming this video. That's why you see me looking in other places. So we're on the last cornrow. Yay. We actually cornrowed our hair. So I'm just doing the same things. I'm so sorry, I was so fast, but it's actually easy. And I hope you guys learned something. I just hope you guys learned something. So guys, I'm actually on a hair growth journey, so I don't curl my hair and just leave it like that. I actually put my hair under tension, so I'm supposed to apply conditioner to it so that it doesn't remain dry. So I'm using my Cantu leave-in conditioner to just apply that all over my hair so that my hair loses some of its tension, you guys know. So I'm done. I was actually happy because I actually curled my hair myself, guys. Easy. It's not easy. It's not easy. No be smart, you know. So that's it. I tried, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Grade me, guys. Grade me, please. Let me know what you guys think. How did I do? I know the lines are not clean enough, but I tried, Sha. I tried. Follow me on my social media platforms. Let's connect. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video. Bye, guys.